Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be putting together one of the new releases from Scrap Diva Designs for the month of March. This is the 3D Easter basket, you guys. This is going to be a must-have. You guys know I love me some Easter crafting, and baskets are, oh, I love baskets so much. So within this die set, guys, you are going to get a base piece, a layering piece. You're going to get 2 side panels and 2 layering pieces, so you can cut those several times. And then you're also going to get this really cute border. Let me show you the pieces as they cut out. So you get this piece here, which is going to be your handle. And guys, this die, I already know I'm going to make some cards and stuff like that with this, because this is a really cute die that you can like layer and do all kinds of things with. So I love this piece right here. Then you get the layering piece, which is a little stitch strip that you would put here in the middle. Of course, you will poke all these pieces out, and then you're gonna get 2 sets of these. And I love that because you guys know I hate die cutting, and whenever I can get extra dies and it will lessen die cutting for me, I love it. Okay, so you're also gonna get the layering piece, which is stitched. Okay, and that's gonna layer there. Now, to create this basket, you're gonna need to cut this piece 6 times. Okay, all your panels 6 times for the side panels. This is our base. Now make sure that you check the dies, because one of them is smaller than the other, and the smaller one is going to layer in the inside. Okay, so you're going to obviously cut the bigger one for your base, and then you are going to cut these 6 times to create your basket. Okay, so super simple to put together. Let me go ahead and put this base together. I'm trying to think how I want to do this video. I really want to just show you guys how to put it together, how simple it is, and then I kind of want to do some decorating and show you how it looks fully embellished. Okay, so there's 2 lines, 2 tabs that you're going to fold over. We're going to do that to all 6 of our pieces. All right, you guys know this is a basket, and I love to, especially if you're doing like a box or something that's going to be holding goodies, you want to make it nice and sturdy. So I am going to be using 110-pound cardstock, and I'm going to be layering it with my designer paper, okay, which is thin cardstock. Okay, so we're just going to fold all these score lines. Let me snip off some pieces that didn't cut all the way because of my magic mat. Okay. And you're just going to basically glue these to the base to form your basket, you guys. I want to do some sewing on these panels. So I think in this video, I'm just going to assemble it, and then I'll be adding all the details. But I highly suggest that you have your panels already sewn. Like if you want to do shaker panels like me, have them sewn, these pieces sewn with your sequins. And I'm probably just going to do 3 panels since there's 6. I'm only going to sew 3 of them with sequins, like put shaker mix on only 3 of them, because I like to have the paper show, you know. So it'll be like 1 with a shaker, 1 without. That's how I plan on doing my basket. Okay. So I would, again, have these sewn or whatever you're going to do to them, and then glue them on here like so, and you're going to have this really cute edge, scalloped edge, and then I would assemble it just because it'll be easier. But for this video, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to assemble my base pieces. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and glue this bottom tab to the bottom of the base. And don't forget that this die set comes with the layering piece for the bottom. I want my inside to look nice and clean, and then I can clean up my bottom, because you will see these tabs after you glue them. We'll clean up the bottom by adding a layering piece or even another base piece to cover up these pieces. I really don't care when it comes to the bottom. And then you're just going to connect these, you guys. So you're going to continue to glue this to the base, and you're going to glue this to the side like this. And that is going to form your basket. Okay. Super simple. I'm trying to think, how do I want to glue the tabs? I'm going to have them on the inside. I want a nice clean look on the outside. And then you can fill this up with some grass, you know, the faux grass, the Easter grass. You can fill this up with tissue paper. You can fill it up with our shredded paper that we use. Okay, so you're gonna glue it on the bottom, and you're gonna glue each side panel like so, okay? And you're gonna continue that. Again, you're gonna cut 6 pieces, you guys. Oop. Yeah, glue here. And then glue here for the side panel. And we're just gonna go all the way around. I love this basket, you guys. So pretty. Use your bone folder so you can get a nice bond. And then line this up really nicely, guys. You want to have a really nice finished piece. So take your time, don't rush. I like to kind of get it on there, lined up, and then turn it and use my bone folder to get a good bond. Guys, let me know down below, what is your favorite adhesive when it comes to stuff like this? I think that like double-sided tape would be easy, but I love my glue. I'm a wet glue girl when it comes to a lot of my projects, but I do love my hot glue for, you know, a quick bond. So again, take your time, line this up good, guys. 6 pieces. So what I did is I took my layering piece and I just stacked 2 pieces of paper and cut 2 at a time. So since you get 2 dies each of those layering pieces and the panels, you can cut 4 at once on your plate. You know what I mean? Look at how roomy this is. Wow, it's really spacious. Okay. And of course, you're going to poke out all your holes that are on the top. I'm putting this together before the release. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this video, but this is, again, part of the new release for Scrap Diva Designs. You guys use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase with anything on scrapdivadesigns.com. I will have a playlist listed down below in case you guys are looking for inspiration with any of her dies. And check out her last year's release for Easter. She has some really bomb dies. So yeah, I'm not sure when this video is going to go out, but this die will be available March the 1st. So be sure to grab the release and use code Poochie10 to save. All right, the last one. Look at how spacious this is, you guys. Whoa, that's crazy. I'm going to show you how spacious this is. We're going to like put some stuff in here so you can see. But again, I want to show you guys how simple this is. This is definitely going to be a must-have. It's always hard to like when I get her new dies, it's hard to choose like what die I'm gonna play with first, and I had to play with this one first. Had to. All right, this one you're gonna glue. The last one you're gonna glue both tabs. You see, you're gonna glue this tab here and this tab here. So let's focus on one at a time. Get my glue. Line that up. Oh my God, this would be so cute, guys, for decor even in your craft room or your house. You can put some faux Easter eggs in here as the core. All right, let me make sure that's down really well. And then let's glue this final one. So again, this is a pre-recorded video. I think I'm gonna go ahead, glue this for you guys, show you how to put it together, and then we're gonna doll it up. So make sure you stick around to the end so you can see how this comes out. Super simple to put together. All right. Look at how roomy that is. Let me go ahead and show you guys all the things you can fit in here. Trying to close my glue up. So we got a Barely Arts glue. We got 1 paint, 2 paints. Look at how much stuff you can fit in here, you guys. That's crazy. Look at that. Here, let's put this in here. Look at all that, guys. You can fit so much in here. Of course, you don't want to put like too much heavy stuff in here, but just so you guys can get an idea of how spacious this basket is, this is a must-have. I'm super happy to have this in my stash. And then when it comes to the strap, of course, you are going to take something like your bone folder or a paintbrush if you don't have one, and you're just going to do this along the edges to curl your sides, okay? And I'm not sure how I want to attach this yet. And then you would put your layering piece, of course. You would poke all these things out. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. This is going to be, there's going to be a lot of uses for this. And then you're going to just take your strap and glue it on the side, guys. And you have this really cute Easter basket. Adorable. I think I would want to make this longer. And yeah, I think I would want to make it taller so I can fit even more things in here. But how cute is this basket, you guys? Stay tuned. This is not the end of it. I'm just putting this together. It's pre-recorded so I can show you guys the assembly, and we'll be back to embellish it. All right, guys, so this is how it came out. Look at how beautiful this basket is. I am in love. I did create shaker panels on every other because I wanted to show some of that paper off. I did my little tool, my ruffle tool that you guys know I love to add to my projects. And I also did up the handle. I used some other, this that I got from Walmart. I love this trim. It's some beautiful trim from Walmart. I put that in the middle. And I did cover up most of the band, but you can still see through it, which I love. You can see that scalloped edge, and you can still see the scalloped edge here. Now for the handle, I did think that it was too short at first for me, but I went ahead and I used some brads, you guys. And I'm going to wait until I get some stuff from Happy Crafter Shop to see if I get anything cute that I can put on here to doll the brads up even more, okay? And when you do the brads, you just use your hole puncher or your crocodile, poke a hole here and on the basket, and just insert that brad and spread it apart, and you will be able to move this back and forth, which is awesome because you're not limited to, you know, grabbing things out. You can just push it to the side and grab your goodies, okay? So I adorned it with this beautiful bow. You guys know I love satin bows. I think it came out so pretty, you guys. And these ears are actually another die from Scrap Diva Designs. It is her new Memory Decks card. And it looks like this. Look at how cute, guys. So you got a lot of room to gift stuff in here. You could even stick a couple of, fill this up with Memory Decks cards if you like. But how beautiful is that, you guys? So again, this die is going to be available. I can't believe we're already hitting March. March the 1st is when this new release will be available. Don't forget to use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. And I will leave my playlist down below. Guys, you have tons of room in this die. I love the way it came out. Let me know down below what you guys think. I think I'm going to go ahead and put some paper in here. I just put some tulle for now. But I want to do like, I don't know if I want to do paper shred or what to put in here and make it really pretty. And I'll probably put a cabochon here as well. But I'm obsessed, guys. It's a really cute basket. must have in your stash. All right, so that's it for this video. I'll try to insert some pictures at the end of this, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.